Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about.
Hello friends, if you were asked what is the antipsychotic with retinal deposits. Antipsychotics with retinal deposits is thioridazine. Thioridazine is an antipsychotic with retinal deposits. So these deposits in advanced cases, these deposits may resemble retinitis pigmentosa. It may resemble retinitis pigmentosa, and thus these deposits are also associated with browning of vision. Okay, in order to reduce the possibility of this complication,
Thank you and thank you for watching.